Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the mounting bracket in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new mounting bracket. The two mounting brackets mounted on the top of the dishwasher's cabinet allow it to be mounted to the countertop. The main reason why the mounting bracket would need to be replaced is if it's broken or is simply missing, causing the dishwasher to move or to be unstable. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the dishwasher, we need to take out a couple of Phillips screws that holds it to the countertop. Alright, so I'm going to close the door partially and side to side pull this dishwasher slowly out of the cabinet here. That would be far enough. I'll make sure that we don't have to disconnect the water line and the drain line from under the sink. So we need like about 6-7 inches. So we're going to remove the old bracket by taking out that single Phillips screw. And now we can take the bracket off. This is the old mounting bracket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we're going to place a new bracket on, right on the top. Make sure that you're not going to pinch the harness here. And secure it with this Phillips screw. Alright, so we're going to lift it up a little bit and push it in. And next we're going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop with a couple of Phillips screws. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver and I'm going to tie it up so it wouldn't go anywhere. And now we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.